Thanksgiving Day isn't until tomorrow, but Mrs. Sir Ricky Bobby is blowing through the house making sure everything is okay, as if you really need 12 throw pillows to impress some aunt who's really just an in-law. My God, I need a drink. Son of a Rick has today and tomorrow off, so he came over here to give me a hand.
Well, you think I'm here to give you a hand. Really, I'm just here for the drinks.
What do you have?
Victory shot.
I got one for you.
Make it a double.
I sure will.
What we got here?
Extra old Calvados.
Ooh, Calvados. I gotta have a shot of that.
Me too.
Clink.
Happy Thanksgiving.
A little weaker than I expected.
Go back to producing.
Okay.
Today's drink is the Cold Brew Old Fashioned. If you find yourself nodding off in the living room after a heavy Thanksgiving feast, this might help wake you up. Half ounce of a sticky simple syrup. One ounce of Mr. Black, and we have to have a shot. That'll wake you up. Two ounces of whiskey. First, we have to have ourselves a shot. That's a good one. Add some chocolate bitters. Ice. And that's a cold brew old fashioned. Today's word of wisdom is family. This is a loaded one. Family can signify friendship or a bond closer than friendship. It can also be used to identify enemies and people far worse than enemies. In-laws. But no matter who they are, your family will always be your family. Unless you find out your grandfather really isn't your grandfather. Then things start to get weird.